Lesson 27. Marketing Environment. Lecture Overview. In this lecture, we will delve into the significance of understanding the market environment and various analyses related to it. Additionally, we will explore the different influences within the marketing environment and examine the future of market growth. Analysis of marketing environment. All marketing efforts hinge on the understanding that a comprehensive knowledge of the business environment is crucial for successful product or service promotion and sales. To ensure the success of your idea, which must fulfill a need for buyers and surpass the competition, it is imperative to gain insights into the following. A. Competitors. 1. Identifying competitors. Level 1. Specific brands directly competing with your product or service. Level 2. Competitors offering similar products in a different business category. Level 3. Competitors vying for the same consumer occasions. 2. Assessing competitors' strengths and weaknesses. Understanding each competitor's market share relative to your own. Gauging how target buyers perceive competitor products and services. Analyzing the financial strength of competitors for advertising and promotions. 3. Understanding competitors' plans. Examining annual forecasts of sales, spending, and profits. Reviewing competitors' promotion and advertising programs. Monitoring the introduction, support, and success of new products and services. Considering the direction for future growth. 4. Analyzing competitors' spending trends. Understanding the amount of money competitors are willing to spend, impacting the success of current products, your ability to attract target buyers, and the introduction of new products. Be target buyer. To comprehend the market thoroughly, it is crucial to precisely identify and understand your customers, knowing who they are, whether individuals or businesses. To refine your understanding of your customer base, consider the following approaches. Niche marketing. Definition. Identifying the primary users of your product to direct marketing efforts specifically toward these users. Criteria for selecting the right niche market. I. Measurable in quantitative terms. E. Substantial enough to generate planned sales volume. E. Accessible through your company's distribution methods. IV. Sensitive to planned and affordable marketing spending events. Segmenting your market. Definition. Dividing the existing market into segments to discover new niches for your business. Factors for market segmentation. I. Demographics. Age, gender, income, education, race, marital status, size of household, location, size of city, and profession. E. Psychographics. Personality and emotionally based behavior linked to purchase choices, e.g., risk takers, risk avoiders, impulsive buyers. E. Lifestyle. Collective choices of hobbies, recreational pursuits, entertainment, vacations, and other non-work pursuits. IV. Belief and value systems, includes religious, political, nationalistic, and cultural beliefs and values. Versus life stage. Different stages in people's lives, e.g., preteens, teenagers. V. Customer and product data collection. Researchers gather data from users of similar products on 1. Number and timing of brand purchases. 2. Reasons for purchases. 3. Consumer attitudes about various product attributes. 4. Importance of the product to the lifestyle of the consumer. 5. Category user information. V. 1. Factor and cluster analysis. Researchers analyze collected data to find correlations between the product and other factors, identifying actionable consumer target clusters. 1. Clusters are defined as niche markets. 2. Where buyers and users are similar and can be reached through advertising and promotion. V. 1. Cluster identification and importance. Assess whether clusters are large and worth spending money on. 1. Evaluate whether marketing to this group fits your existing image and long-term goals. 2. By employing niche marketing and market segmentation, businesses can tailor their marketing strategies to specific consumer groups, enhancing the effectiveness of advertising and promotions. See marketing environment. Today it is influenced by global marketplace and explosion of information age. To be fully ready, company must recognize and understand 1. Cultural influences. 2. Government and political influences. 3. Demographic and lifestyle trends. 4. Local, national and world economic trends. 5. The strength of multinational competitors. 6. The influence of technology on physical distribution. Future of market growth. After identifying the market, it is crucial to assess the size of the actual market that can be competed in. This involves examining the 1. Size of the total market. 2. Size of market interested in your products. 3. Size of market available for distribution. 4. Size of market already purchasing competitive products. 5. Size of market your company can serve. 6. Size of market reachable through advertising and distribution.